Here's the most reliable daily driver from every major car brand. No BS, no fanboy tears. Just the truth that'll make your mechanic cry from lost business. Number 1. Toyota Camry. This thing is so reliable, it could survive 3 divorces, a midlife crisis, and still start up the next morning like, "What's up, boss?" Perfect for people who change oil every presidential election. Number 2. Honda Accord. The only car that can get T-boned by a UFO and still be worth $12,000 on Facebook Marketplace. It's a roach in car form. It simply refuses to die. Number 3. Chevrolet Malibu. Older 2.4-liter or 1.5T. Your grandma's grocery getter that's basically bulletproof if you don't treat it like a getaway car. Not sexy, but neither is walking to work. Number 4. Hyundai Sonata, post-2020. Hyundai finally stopped playing with glass engines and made one that doesn't blow up on the highway. Comfy, smooth, and not bad looking if you squint. Number 5. Mazda 6. The "I wish I bought a BMW, but I also like paying rent" car. Drives like it's flirting with you but won't ghost you when the check engine light pops. Number 6. Kia K5. It's basically a Sonata that got a Tinder glow-up. Reliable enough to keep you driving instead of crying in the repair shop lobby. Number 7. Subaru Legacy. Perfect for snow, rain, or a bad breakup. The all-wheel drive will take you anywhere, except to a mechanic every month. Number 8. Volkswagen Jetta 1.4T. Finally, a VW that doesn't come with a free membership to Pro A. If you stick to the 1.4 turbo, it'll run longer than your ex's lies. Number 9. BMW 330 iG20. Yes, a BMW that won't give you PTSD from repair bills. Keep it stockish and it'll happily eat miles without eating your wallet. Number 10. Lexus ES 350. Basically a Toyota Camry in a tuxedo. You could drive this for 400,000 miles and it'll still smell like new leather and old money. If you're gonna daily drive one of these, make sure you have a good dash cam. Because no matter how reliable your car is, other drivers aren't. Here's the one I recommend from Amazon. Crystal clear video, night vision, and no BS setup.